Greetings, YouTube. Tac Nerd 1.0 here, and I apologize profusely right from the start for a possibly shaky cell phone camera video, but don't have my tripod set up, and I just got this in the mail, and I wanted to get through it real quick. This is a quick unboxing of some stuff from Amazon. So I'll show you what we got here. This should be a pretty quick tell to what we got. This is the Crosman Vigilante. This is a pellet and BB gun. So let's try to open this. I'm doing this one-handed, so all right, so this is it. I got this because I did not have a pellet pistol. I have a few pellet rifles, but did not have a pellet pistol, so wanted to try that. Well, I do have actually a pellet pistol. Technically, this is a pistol. This is my backpacker without the stock right now, but obviously this is one shot at a time. I want something that had a few more shots, and I just like I like the look of this and wanted to try it out. This is a kind of a break barrel design here. I guess you push this button down and then just breaks in half, and you put the rotary magazine in there and then close it up. I kind of like that design. I know a lot of people like they like the newer ones that have the simulated shells in them and everything. And well, I think those are cool. I want something. This holds way more rounds, and from what I understand, it is exceptionally accurate and works very well. So, trigger pull is not bad. Single action, not bad, but a little. It's gritty or something. I don't know. There's like a weird. I don't know. There's something weird there. That might ease up with a few shots, though. I think. Good weight and feel on it. This is metal, maybe, right? That might be plastic. Trigger and hammer are metal. This is plastic. This does not feel so great. Kind of a cheap feel to it. That's where your CO2 goes. Right in there. So, what do I know about this? As I said, I believe it takes BBs or pellets. Excuse me, I believe this is for shooting BBs with it. It does have a rifle barrel, however, so you should not shoot too many BBs with it, because they will, from what I understand, they will hurt the rifling eventually. And I plan to pretty much shoot BBs in it. It's a nice looking pistol. It has two spots for a optic or whatever, one right here and then one below. And I did buy this cheap red dot for it, and you know, try that out and see. And then I bought 3 extra of these magazines, these rotary magazines here. Now they did have a this was, I think it was $45, and I will put the link below on Amazon. They did have a set, excuse me, that came with extra magazines and a Crosman holster. And then, obviously, this pistol. But I did not get that because, one, it was not Prime. And I generally only order stuff if it's through Prime. And because I really don't need the holster. It's a little cheesy to me. I don't think I would never use a holster for this anyways. So I didn't really see the necessity for it. I can't imagine I would ever use it for anything else either. So I just didn't get it. And like I said, I like to get stuff through Prime. And basically just getting that and this was the same price. So, anyhow, I'm going to do some testing on this and we'll take it out and shoot it and see what it's like. But, you get, well, here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shots, right? With these. So it's not bad, it's a good bit of firepower with it. Less time you have to spend loading pellets, because I'll tell you, loading pellets is kind of annoying. Those little BBs and pellets can take quite a while. I actually tend to prefer loading railguns. I think it takes a lot less time. The bullets are larger, obviously. They go in a lot easier. These are so tiny, these pellets, that it can take forever, and they're so tiny and dinky. Then you lose them, and they fall, and it's really annoying. So, let's see if I can get this. Let's see if I can get this. This laser sight out real quick here. Excuse me. And I will do a review on this site as well. It's a cheap site. Like I said, this only cost me about, I think it was like, I don't know, $15, if that. So it should be fine for this. In fact, I think I have one something like this on my 1022, and it works just perfectly fine. I don't know if I have it on I don't know if I'd have it on anything else, but I think for like a 22 or something like this, I think it's fine. So that'll go on there like that. When I do the full review of the gun and the sight, I'll get them loaded up so you guys can see there. But like I said, I'm just doing this one-handed real quick. So anyhow, there it is. That is the Crosman Vigilante. And hopefully we'll have a little fun with this. So stay tuned. More to come on TAC Nerd 1.0.